Okay, we're out with the Rlaarlo AK-917. Trying to make a pass for the competition. I think it's the last day. It's the 31st, July 31st. Actually, I need to show you that. I hope you can see that there. Right here. All right. Guy's barely moving. All right. Two. Okay. It is 1:30 in the morning, July 31st. All right, here we go. Well, I see a car way down there. After this car, I guess. He turned. I should wait for that guy, I guess. No, he's turning. I need to wait and see if this guy all right, here we go. think I spun it out down there. I'm not sure how fast that, I'm guessing 150 maybe. I hope. I hope around 150 or more. I think the perfect pass might have been a little too long. They might not even have got to full trigger. I smell foam tires. Yeah. Both rears. Front's made it. All right. Let's hope it did something cool. $160. I'm happy with that, but I thought it would go a little faster. But like I said, I think it might not even have got the full trigger with the perfect pass the way it was set. But we'll take it anyway. $5,500 feet, right around there. Yeah, my first entry into the competition, they denied it because my phone, the brightness was way too bright. I go at night all the time. You couldn't even read it. And it was 158, I think, pass. And they emailed me and told me it was no good. So I understand. I couldn't hardly read it in the video either. So I just bettered it by a couple miles an hour anyway. I went the other night. I went pretty fast, and I melted a bullet off the motor, one of the plug wires to the motor. Melted on. The pass went great, but when I hit the brakes, it burned a bullet off of it, so it wouldn't come back. So here we go. That was a 4S. I mean 8S. I'm sorry, 4S in series. 2 Laperriere 6200 milliamps. Uh, 4S. I hope you can see it. I'll pull this off. Right here, 4 wires. And this one, same thing. I hope that's picking up. It's hard to judge it at night out here, what's gonna look right and what's not. Right here, it says 4S. think this light's dying on me. Oh, I forgot I got this one. 4S. It's in series. XLX2. Castle 1721. 2400 kV. I just threw this together like last week to mess around with it. Not much. I only have like 2 passes on it, I think. So I haven't had time to get it to run right, but I will eventually. Anyway, is that all I got to show? AGFRC servo, BSR foam tires. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, and this is the body. All right, am I forgetting anything? I guess the date again I could show you. July 31st. Right here. Okay.